What is up guys, today I'm going to be unboxing a MacBook Pro, right there, 15-inch. So this MacBook Pro has 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of SSD storage, Radeon Pro 555, that's all I need, and an Intel Core i7, not the i9. This is like the budget one. I got it for $2,600. So yeah, let's be unboxing this. Okay. I got it open now. Oh my god. This will be my main laptop for editing videos. God. This is beautiful, man. Check this out. Let's set this aside. In the box there is charging cable. Let's open this, see how long it is. It's not very long. I'm disappointed with that. Here is the manuals. Manuals here. Pretty small actually. Really small. Warranty information, no one gives a fuck. And Apple stickers. Nice. Alright. Let's take this all. And, oops, sorry. Power brick. How many watts is this? 87. It's nice. It's very nice. Alright, power brick. And the extension to put on the power brick. Nothing else is in the box. Let's put this away. So here it is, guys. The moment that I've been waiting for like 5 years to upgrade my older Mac. So let's do this. Oh my god. Guys, you don't know how excited I am. I don't sound exciting, but I'm really excited. So here it is, guys. The things that I don't like with this is that Apple logo. It's just a mirror now. Ports. Just like dongles and shit. Gotta carry around. Ooh, there's some nice vents here. Let's see. All metal. I'll point this like that. There you go. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh my god. This is beautiful, man. Here it is. MacBook, 15-inch. Basically, that's it. I will set this up and I'll show you guys in a second. And there you go, guys. Here it is. The MacBook Pro in all its glory. Coming things up here. Basically that's it. I love the touchpad. It's amazing. The keys, much quieter. It's gonna get some time getting used to. So yeah, basically that's it. I hope you enjoyed this mini unboxing of the quite big Apple MacBook, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked, and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much. See you next time.